Welcome to this section of our What's New in 2024 for SOLIDWORKS. My name is Ed Hawkins, and over the next few minutes I will take you through some improvements to simulation in SOLIDWORKS 2024. We'll start by looking at some global simulation options that will help every user. In the general simulation options, users can now turn on the new Save After Meshing and After Analysis Completes option. This checkbox will automatically save your mesh and simulation progress upon completion. This option will prevent data loss in cases of unexpected system crashes or power outages, and can be a great failsafe and potentially a massive time saver. Also under Solver and Results is a new option to exclude the mesh and/or results when a study is copied. This location sets the default condition when a study is copied, but can be changed in the copy command itself. This option is used to not only save time of the copy command, but also save disk space if a remesh and rerun are planned. The chain tensioner assembly is responsible for transferring power from the rider's arms to the power assist unit and rear wheel of the Bowhead RX. You can see that there are two chains running through the tensioner, and they both ride along a chain roller guide. The roller guide is responsible for keeping both chains on the transfer cogs, ensuring that the rider doesn't drop the chain under power. The chain roller guide is bolted to the tensioner mount and houses two sealed bearings that are mounted to the roller guide axle. We can now exclude the two roller bearings from the analysis, since we will be replacing with bearing connectors. One of the bearing connectors has already been created for us, so we will now create the other connector. We'll choose the outer face of the shaft and the inner face of the housing to define the location. Now we can choose the new option for distributed coupling. Distributed coupling allows the faces attached to the bearing to deform, which delivers a more realistic representation of the bearing's behaviour. We'll now add the lateral and axial stiffness of the bearing and define the new tilt stiffness. Also new in 2024 is the ability to define a torsional stiffness to the bearing. Now we'll add the chain loads to the roller guide. Split lines were used to locate the loading at specific locations and directions. We'll add a load of 250 newtons to the hand crank chain and 150 newtons to the pedal assist chain. Now let's take a look at some results. You can see from this stress plot that a majority of the higher stresses take place on the bolted shaft. When animating the results, we can see that the chain roller guide is moving as we would expect. The deflection suggests that even under load there is mild deflection, so the chain roller is doing its job. We focused in on the enhanced bearing connector options in 2024 simulation, but we also saw some time-saving options for saving of the mesh and results, along with extra options when copying studies. Thanks for watching, and look out for our next video on what's new in SOLIDWORKS 2024.